Hi everyone, how do we solve this equation? 2 raised to x minus 2 raised to y equal to 2016. If you look at this equation very well, one thing is very certain, x is greater than y. X is greater than y. Let me show you why this condition is true. The right hand side is 2016, and it is obvious 2016 is greater than 0. So if the right hand side is greater than 0, that means the left hand side also must be greater than 0. So 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y is also greater than 0. This also means that move this guy to the right hand side, we have 2 raised to x greater than 2 raised to y. Since the base is the same, that means x is greater than y. So this is the condition. It is true. X is greater than y. So let us proceed further. Now, let us suppose we want x and y to be equal to each other. That means we must add a positive integer to y, that is x equal to y plus some positive integer. Let's call that integer k. So such that k is greater than 0. This is a positive integer. So what we have to do now is to put s equals to y plus k into this expression. So let's continue. So we have 2 to the power of, in place of x now, we're gonna write y plus k minus 2 raised to y equal to 2016. 2 raised to y equal to 2016. This implies that this guy could be written as 2 to the power of y times 2 to the power of k minus 2 to the power of y equal to 2016. What is common here? 2 raised to y is common. We can pull it out. We have 2 raised to y into 2 raised to k minus 1 equal to 2016. Now, let us consider this right hand side, 2016. What we want to do now is to write 2016 such that it is a product of even and odd number. 2016 could be written as 32 times 63. This is an even number. Why this is an odd number? This implies that 2 raised to y into 2 raised to k minus 1 equal to this guy now, 32 times 63. This is an even number. This is an odd number. Also, if you look at this left hand side, 2 raised to y is always even. Why this is always an odd number? Such that y is greater than 0 and k is greater than 0. Let's continue. Now, let us compare. If we compare, even has to be equal to even, while the odd part has to be equal to each other. 2 raised to y is equal to 32 and 2 raised to k minus 1 is equal to 63. From this line, 2 raised to y is equal to 32 could be written as 2 raised to 5. The base is the same, so the power must be equal. Y is equals to 5. This is the value of y. What is left now is to find the value of x. From this line, move minus 1 to the right hand side. 2 raised to k is equal to 63 plus 1. 2 raised to k equal to 63 plus 1, 64. 2 raised to k equal to 64 could be written as 2 to the power of 6. Since the base is also the same, the power must be equal. K is equals to 6. But our goal is to find what? Is to find x. That is what is left. Since we know that x is equal to y plus k. Let me show you where we got this from. It's basically from this assumption, x equals to y plus k. Let's continue. So x is now equal to, what is y? Y is 5. 5 plus k is 6. X equal to 5 plus 6, 11. This is the value of x. Therefore, x is 11 and y is 5. Let us verify if these answers are correct. So check. The question says 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of y is equal to 2016. 2, what is x? X is 11 minus 2, what is y? Y is 5. This is equal to, if you plug 2 to the power of 11 into your calculator, you're gonna get 2048 minus 2 to the power of 5, that is 32. So subtract this. 2048 minus 32, that gives 2016, which is exactly the same thing we have on this right hand side. That means the answers are indeed correct. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching.